International Automobile Post Tarfyanovka today is the largest border crossing point between Russian Federation and Finland. Modern customs complex is based on territory of 30 hectares. Here, more than 70% of all shipment trading procedures between Russian and Scandinavian countries take place. During last year, more than 700,000 trucks have moved through this point. This specific direction is the most prospective one by the opinion of Federal Customs Service of Russian Federation. Transfer of customs service to the border regions is a very difficult task, revolutionary transformation in customs, in all of its aspects. It is a hard and expensive measure, will need a lot of efforts from the customs services and a serious attitude from the commercial structures that work in economical area. Ladies and gentlemen, let me pay your attention at presentation film of the closed joint stock company ВОСХОД. Closed joint stock company ВОСХОД is more than 10 years in customs services business and has significant experience in warehouse and inventory management. TLT ВОСХОД is using as popularly accepted technology as their own system development maintains a high level of customer services. Clearance procedures, technological support, specially selected and trained personnel, and advanced equipment guarantee stable performance of warehouse operations and gaining the trust of our clients. In 2000-2001, closed joint stock company ВОСХОД initiated the project for the construction and organizing of work of the customs and logistics terminal. The main goal of this project is to create favorable conditions for foreign trade participants engaged in the movement of goods and vehicles through customs border of Russia in the area of custom post Tarfyanovka of Vyborg State Customs. The unique location of the terminal, its technological solution and reputation allowed closed joint stock company ВОСХОД enter the register of owners of temporary storage warehouses and expand the terminal activity with 2 TSWs, temporary storage warehouses.
Данный склад находится непосредственно на границе, поэтому имеет максимальное преимущество.
This warehouse is situated on the border, and this is the maximal advantage over the other facilities of this type. The assumptions of it are following preferences: clearance of the shipments from Scandinavian countries, European countries, in a short-term period of time. We provide logistics under which cargo undergoes clearance right at the border by minimal expenses and then proceeds to the destination point. In accordance with the decisions of Federal Customs Service of Russia, and also as a result of effective cooperation with customs authorities at the warehouse of temporary storage area of closed joint stock company ВОСХОД, structural units of the Vyborgskaya Customs, of the Northwest Customs Administration and the Departments of Central Excise Customs are available today. Structure of the complex contains the following objects of real estate and constructions owned by closed joint stock company ВОСХОД. Two-story building with a half-story of an administrative building. Area 1,679 square meters. One-story warehouse building, built-in boiler and additional equipment. Area 2,294 square meters. Parking for trucks. Area 21,288 square meters. Parking for light vehicles, area 1,494 square meters. And engineering constructions. Land for real estate objects, land of industry, etc. Area 89,568 square meters. We have state-confirmed property permission for this land. According to accepted classification of warehouse complex facilities, closed joint stock company ВОСХОД refers to a Class B complex and has the following characteristics. Newly built single-story warehouse building of rectangular shape. The infrastructure includes concrete floor with the anti-dust coating, ceiling height of 8 meters, adjustable temperature mold, ventilation system, alarm system and video security control system, fire alarm system and automatic fire extinguishing, 15 automatic dog type gates, indoor warehouse equipment with a modern set of front heavy-duty shelving. TSW is provided with the necessary equipment: 2 car lift trucks, 2 mobile hydraulic servicing units for pallets shift, loading capacity 2,000 kilograms, weigh scales with different range, the maximum limit is up to 2,000 kilograms, and automobile weigh scales. The maximum limit is up to 30,000 kilograms. Furnished and equipped office space in the warehouse. Availability of support facilities of the warehouse, cafe, utility rooms, dressing rooms for personnel with showers, mini hotel for drivers. Federal telecommunication network with the internal and international telephone lines. Availability in the area sites for parking and maneuvering of heavy vehicles. Accounting system and access control staff. Autonomous terminal power and substation site. To ensure an adequate level of custom control at TSW installed and put into operation. An X-ray inspection apparatus, high scan, detection of fissile and radioactive materials stationary customs Yantar, search microprocessor dosimeter. Warehouse complex accepts the entire range of products and provides a guaranteed level of service prescribed by a bilateral agreement with the customer. Unloading and loading of goods is performed by means of modern, specialized imported equipment. Proven techniques can quickly carry out the work of loading with minimal risk of damage to the goods. Storage stock is carried out by using modern rack systems. Warehouse provides conditions for optimal storage as large as light-sized goods. Open space of TWS is able to receive up to 300 road trains at one time. Inventory control is based on technologies of address storage and optimization of warehouse operations. For the purposes of stock control, there are used modern software products including FIA Warehouse, a program designed for accounting of goods in the warehouses of temporary storage, WTS. The Customs Control Zone, NTA, and Customs Warehouses, TS, which is fully agreed with the custom authorities of Russian Federation. Modern software used by TLT ВОСХОД for stock control allows to control, store, and quickly access all the entire flow of the information. Customers of BLT ВОСХОД have the opportunity to request and receive detailed information about their cargo in stock at any time by following points: presence of the goods in stock at the moment, presence of the goods in stock at any of the past days, presence of the goods by volume, weight and range.
В связи с тем, что упрощена процедура.
Because of the fact that the procedure of transit is maximally simplified, the shipment from Tarfyanovka goes straight to the temporary storage warehouse of closed joint stock company ВОСХОД. In that case, clearance of one vehicle takes only 3-4 hours. Thus, bonded logistic terminal ВОСХОД today is a modern complex that meets international standards of quality and functionality. Convenient location. TLT ВОСХОД is located in close proximity to the MAPP Tarfyanovka on the highway E18 Scandinavia, which contributes to faster custom clearance of goods and their faster delivery to the 2 capitals of Russia and in the regions to the other destination points, creating an enabling environment and simplification of customs procedures for respectable business. A simplified scheme of goods delivery that makes possible to get away from the usage of procedure CARNET tier, which has lost its relevance, that accelerates and simplifies the process of custom clearance. Customs and customer service 24 hours a day. Client-centered approach. Configuration of the area in the client's demand. Own fleet of unloading equipment from the best manufacturers. Controlled temperature storage ensuring maximum safety of goods. Modern system of security and fire safety equipment. Video monitoring, armed security, security and firefighting system, access control system. The concept is to bring closer to the state border the place of custom clearance. This is the main need to develop the transport logistics terminals. I suppose this is the prototype of the future system that will solve all the problems of custom clearance in complex. Dear sirs, we hope that all of the above information in the film will allow you to appreciate the capabilities of our company. From our part, we are gladly ready for new partnerships and business contacts. The required contact information is distributed to your presentation packages. Thank you for your attention.